Good day, folks. So today we are working on a cool gift for a fellow friend of mine on YouTube, Caleb over at Gingium. He makes some awesome cars, especially with Miatas and Mazdas. A lot of other really cool stuff. He's working on an adventure bus right now. And one fellow Fallout lover to another, I've decided I'm going to make something really cool for his adventure bus. And in essence, what it is it's going to be a Fallout survival kit break-in case of glass event, and it's going to have a lot of really snarky Vault-Tec literature in it too, which is going to be really cool. So what we got right here, these are actually parts for the nuke grenade from Fallout. It's like the equivalent of a hand grenade for the mini nuke. It's pretty sweet.
Oh my god!
We'll go ahead and we'll pull the raft off of these, put this together, then we're going to build a case, put it in it, and we got some nameplates that are printing out. And once we get that, we're going to put it in there, detail it, paint it, put a light in it, make it look really cool, and then it's going to be something he can hang inside of his adventure bus. Because I think this thing is really cool. I've actually wanted to build one of these for myself, but I think it'll look a lot more at home in his adventure bus. So, let's get to it. Alrighty, now it only took me about 10 seconds to really strip the raft off of this and put this together. However, now comes the very, very arduous task of sanding and making this thing ready for paint, which is going to take a decent bit of time. I would estimate probably about 4 hours to get this little guy ready for painting. So with that being said, I should probably get to it. And guys, there we go. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I haven't made one of these break in case of emergency glass cases before. I really have no idea how to do it. It kind of flew by the seat of my pants, but I really like the way it turned out. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you liked the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, I am Bert from Pixel Armory. Like, favorite, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. If you're a fan of Pixel Armory and Bert's Garage, feel free to become a Patreon subscriber, just like our good friend Patrick O'Connor and Nico Dache. Thanks guys, I'll see you later.